Hello everyone, welcome to SOFTECH. Today we are discussing about SAP S4HANA Cloud Public Edition. SAP offers a full-fledged cloud ERP that optimizes process and helps your business to run smoothly. SAP as the cloud ERP strive to enable our valued customers and partners to take full advantage of the benefits our solution brings for the intelligent, sustainable enterprise. Therefore, we offer a variety of enablement assets to explain the features and functions of each new release and make sure that you get the maximum value out of your investment. Want to know how your favorite ERP new to SAP S4HANA Cloud 2402 early release series, artificial intelligence and technologies, and let me tell you, it's mind-blowing. Get ready to see how the future of business is getting smarter, faster and more automated than ever before. Problem and solution. Remember those tedious tasks dragging you down? Forget them. AI in S4HANA 2402 automates workflows, predicts customer behavior and even identifies potential risk before they happen. Imagine your business running on autopilot, optimizing resources and making decisions based on real-time insights. That's the power of this update. Features and demos. Predictive procurement. Say goodbye to guesswork. AI forecast your inventory needs and suggest optimal purchasing schedules. No more stockouts for wasted expenses. Smarter sales insight. AI analyzes customer data to identify hot leads, predict buying patterns, and personalize offers. Say hello to closing more deals and happier customers. Automated risk management. Sleep soundly knowing AI is constantly monitoring your systems for potential threats. From fraud detection to security breaches, AI is got your back, and so much more. Showcase other exciting features with quick visuals for screen recordings. Call to action. This update is a game changer for businesses of all sizes. Whether you are a seasoned SAP Pro or just starting out, S4HANA 2402 with AI is a must explore. So ditch the spreadsheets, embrace the future and watch your business soar. In January 2024, we will back with 19 compelling live sessions to highlight the exciting innovations shipped with the SAP S4HANA Cloud Public Edition 2402 release. Take advantage of the entire session or pick and choose the sessions most relevant to you. Don't miss this chance and register now. I am sharing the link below. Please subscribe to watch our latest videos. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.